Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can create a theme in a Canva. So to get it started, first of all go ahead and tap on the Canva application. Once you tap on it, you'll be brought up with the home page of Canva. Now on the top left corner, you can see the three lines or the menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see many options. Among them is a create a theme. Go ahead and tap on it. So in order to create a theme in a Canva, you'll have to subscribe a package or you'll have to pay in order to create a theme in Canva. So you can only create a theme in Canva if you have subscribed a package for Canva. Otherwise there is no other way to create a theme in Canva. So I hope this video is helpful and informative for you. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press on notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.